you need to download Dropus from Chrome and wait until it's downloading. And after that, you need to download Windows 11 ISO file from Chrome. And wait until it's downloading. And after you download all, to open Dropus and tap the select button and find the Windows 11 ISO file.
Basic lang pala. Huh?
Paano i-digentin?
After you select it, just tap the start button and wait until it's finished downloading. The ready button will turn green if it's finished downloading. Wait until it's done. And then the download is finished.